Prabhpreet Singh Gill, aka Harry Gill, is the driving force behind Eastern Fortune Investments, an investment company looking to reshape the fintech industry. Gill left India for Dubai 3 years ago, setting up a family office that is taking over a lucrative portfolio of fintech companies and expanding into the MENA region. Today, he has a business empire that stretches from India to the UAE. And to tell us more, I'm delighted to be joined by the chairman of EFI and Pay10 Global, Harry Gill. Harry, it's great to be with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
Exciting times for you. You've decided to set up the family office for investments here in the UAE. Why did you choose the UAE as the global headquarters, and what's your mission here?
I think it's just not us. I think the world is choosing UAE to be the strategic position in the world to set up their headquarters here. We strongly believe that's a central point where the entire world is focusing right now. And we feel that family office being from here, we can easily grow the family office to various regions across MENA, because now we're focusing on GCC, we're focusing on MENA. So I think it was a strategic decision to have a family office here. So it's easier for us to expand out globally.
Fintechs is where you are at. How do you see the role of fintechs in transforming industries, particularly as we're looking at the relationship between banks, merchants, and even customers?
We feel that fintech today, because the entire world is going towards digital economy, everything digital, and every country has their vision for being completely digital. So fintechs play a very important role to fulfill that vision of every country. We feel that we are very focused to be the fintech who promotes the local payment methods. So I think that's where we bring an important role. We feel we can help the vision of the country, the vision of the central bank, to achieve that success for the local payment methods. And when we use the local payment methods, it helps the merchant to bring down the cost. It helps banks to bring in the float, the money in the bank account. And also it helps that unbanked population, which is not banked right now. And fintechs can really play an important role to bank that population and bring the country's vision towards digital more faster.
As you're looking to your investment portfolio, EFI has its eye on several fintech ventures. Talk to us about what you're involved with right now, particularly in the MENA and South Asia regions, and when you are looking at investing in new companies, what is it that you look for?
So we are completely focused on fintech. We are completely focused on payment companies. We have set up, invested in a new payment company in UAE. We've also applied for license from the central bank, a full SVF license and a full PSP license. Simultaneously, we also set up a company in Morocco. We've also applied for license from the central bank. We're still waiting for the central bank licenses from Morocco. We're waiting for the central bank license from UAE. And then we are setting up more companies which are in process right now in various countries in GCC to expand our network towards GCC. But EFI is completely focused, and our main focus, and that's what we do via Pay10, is fintech.
What are you looking for when you want to invest in new companies?
Well, we are very focused in what those companies can achieve. That's more important for us. It's not the investment, it is what is the use case those companies which we are investing in can help achieve. Can they help achieve the vision, the digital vision or the digital economy vision of that country? How quickly they can do it, and what problems can they resolve? If a fintech company or a payments company cannot resolve a problem, I think there's a lack of vision there. And which we want to focus on, they solve the problem for payments. Now, the solve for problem for payments is for the merchants, it's for the customers, how robust the payments can be, how quickly they can be, and how seamless journey we can provide.
And are they also addressing markets that have been neglected?
Yes, like I previously said, the unbanked population is what we are addressing. And that is the vision, and that is the vision of every country, to bring the entire unbanked population in the economy. And fintechs, and we investing in fintech, our brand Pay10 completely focuses on that. That is the core strength of Pay10. And Pay10 has showed that strength in India, has been very successful in showing the strength in India. We have a strong use case. We have a strong journey, which we want to take to GCC, to other countries, to have the same flow of payments.
This really is going to be critical moving forward, looking at those unbanked populations. And as you say, you have that ambition of building bridges between Dubai and other regions as well. So talk to us about the strategies and the initiatives that you're looking to implement to build those bridges to Asia, to Africa, to Europe, and the kind of challenges that may come up there.
See, there are two visions of Pay10. One is the domestic vision, which is very focused on the domestic payment methods. And then the one which you're talking about is bridging the countries. So we strongly believe that the fintech companies have to build payment rails across the globe. We are building payment rail which we want to partner with banks and then give instant payment facility, not just domestically, internationally as well. So if today somebody who's left his country had come to UAE to work, he wants to send money back home, he should be able to send money back home at any given point of time, any point of day, holiday, not holiday, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's the vision we want to connect. We've already built the payment rails. We've built payment rails with Philippines. We've built a payment rail with Nepal, Sri Lanka. We already have existing payment rail with India. So we want to make the world an easier place to transmit money. So we have two visions: domestic vision, which we are very focused, which we applied the license for the Central Bank of UAE. The international vision is by payment rails and with partnering banks. We want to provide instant payments to every country, what we are focusing on. I strongly believe that if somebody's left his country and come here to work, and if he wants to send money back home, and if his mother, his father is not well, he wants to send money home now. He cannot wait for a weekend to send money home. And this is where we want to come in. And we want to give them the power to send them money when they feel they want to send their money back home.
And make it as easy as possible.
Yes, it has to be seamless.
Yeah.
It has to be 2 clicks. If there's 3 clicks, I don't believe in 3 clicks.
Yeah.
The payment has to be in 2 clicks.
So much in the pipeline, lots of great developments that we will be watching closely. So Harry Gill, Chairman of EFI, thank you so much.